Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video of my new series, that is photographing of the Milky Way with the help of smartphone. So in the previous video, that is the first video of this series, I discussed about regarding the timing during which the Milky Way is visible, and also that how to track or spot the Milky Way in the night sky with the help of smartphone by using the stargazing application and also without it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss about that how to find a darker skies around our surrounding or our location to have a better image of Milky Way. See, it is very important to be under darker skies to have a good image of Milky Way. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how to find a darker skies by using a site called light pollution map, and I will also discuss about the Bortle scale, because the light pollution is measured with the help of Bortle scale. Okay, and I'm going to discuss it in detail in this video. So I request you to watch the whole video and please don't skip any point so that all your doubts will get cleared up. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's begin our today's video. So first, let's understand what is Bortle scale. See, Bortle scale is a 9-level numeric scale that defines the brightness, or you can say the light pollution of a particular area. It is a 9-level scale, so it will run from Bortle scale 1 to Bortle scale 9. You can see here on the screen that an image is shown, and you can clearly get an idea that Bortle 1 is the darkest sky, while Bortle 9 or Bortle 8 is the brightest sky. So as we move from Bortle 1 to Bortle 9, the sky's brightness or the light pollution of the sky gets increased. That is because of the artificial lights, then we have the automobile lights, then we have advertising hoardings and many other lights. Okay, so in short, if I say that if you have to capture a good image of Milky Way, then you need to be under Bortle 1 to Bortle 3 skies. These are the rural skies and they are the dark skies. But you can also go up to Bortle 4 and Bortle 5. Okay, I have captured Milky Way from both, that is Bortle 5 and Bortle 3, and I will show you a comparison that how the light pollution plays a role in getting a good and a light polluted image of the Milky Way. Okay, so this is about the Bortle scale, and now I will tell you that how to find out the darker skies with the help of this Bortle scale. So now I am turning the screen recording of my laptop. Okay, so then I will show you how to find the darker skies by using a site called the light pollution map. Okay, so friends, first we have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome we have to search light pollution map in the search bar. Okay, so when we will search it, we will get few results, and out of those results we have to click on the first site. You can see over here light pollution map is shown, so you have to select those site, and after opening the after clicking on the first site, you can see that a map gets opened, which is similar to the Google Maps. Okay, but the only difference between the Google Maps and this map is that the regions, or we can say the states, the cities, the countries, are shown with different colors. Okay, let me zoom in so that you can get to know which colors are there. So you can see that pink colored, some regions are shown with pink color. Okay, some are shown with blue, some are shown with gray, some are shown with yellow, and the rest are shown with green and orange. So all these colors actually indicate the amount of light pollution, or you can say the brightness of the sky. So by using, or you can say by keeping in mind the Bortle scale, we have to find out the dark skies around our surrounding. So you can see here that few regions are shown with pink color, or you can say after that we have the less, light pink, or somewhat close to white. Okay, so these pink color regions are having Bortle 6 or Bortle 7 as the light pollution. So you can imagine that how much light pollution will be there in that area. And generally these are the metro cities where urban development, urban infrastructure is much, street lights are more number of automobiles are there, more advertising hoardings. That means light pollution is more in those areas that are shown with pink color. Coming after pink, that is the yellow colored region. It is either Bortle 4 or Bortle 5. Okay. Then we have the green colored. It is Bortle 3 or 4. Then we have Bortle blue colored region. That is Bortle 2 or Bortle 3. And then we have the gray colored region. Okay. Let me show you. This is the gray colored region where it is Bortle 1 or Bortle 2. So let's say if we are living in a area with a pink colored region, then when you will click on this area, let me zoom in. But before that, let me share some details that how to use this map. So you can zoom in and zoom out the light pollution map with the help of your cursor of the mouse, and you can also scroll the map. Okay, to find out your area, or let's say your city or state. So if you don't know how to find out your area, or if you are probleming, if you are facing any difficulty, then you can just use this search bar where you can enter the name of your country, place or state, or you can also enter the coordinates, that is lat long. Okay, so this is how we have to use it. And once you have find out your location, for example, let me find out my location. For example, first I'm just select not my location, but I'm just selecting a random location. Okay, so yes, I have selected a particular location, and you can see the different colors are shown. So as I said earlier, that the pink color region is having highlight pollution. So if I click on it, then it will show me the bottle scale. Yes, so you can see that it is showing bottle class 6. So to find out the bottle scale, you just have to find out your location in the map first, and then you have to click on your location. As soon as you will click on it, it will show you the details regarding the bottle scale and brightness and other things. Okay, so you can say it is bottle class 6, which is not favorable for astrophotography and stargazing. So you can just zoom in a little bit so that you will get a better idea. See, it is showing me pink color. If I click on yellow colored region, then it is bottle class 4. That shows that as compared to bottle 6, bottle class 4 is good. So you can go to that place if it is close to your surrounding. Okay, or you can plan on weekend or on some days, let's say new moon, or when moon is in the vaccine phase for milky photography. Okay, so you can just plan it that when you have want to go for milky way photography. So if I click on this green color region, then it will show me the bottle scale. It is still bottle class 4. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Yes, if I click on this blue color region, then it is showing bottle class 3. So you can just get to know that how far is dark skies from your area or from your location. Once again, see, if I click on this pink, it will show me bottle 6 or bottle 7. Yes, so it is bottle 7, so it is higher than bottle 6, that is light pollution is more. So you can just get to know that how close is the border class 4 or border class 3 from your surrounding. And if you are if you can able to go to that place, then you can plan for astrophotography and stargazing. So this is how you have to find out the dark skies. Okay, once you have known the bottle scale of your location, you just have to find out the dark skies around your surrounding, that is bottle 3, bottle 2, or even up to bottle 4 also. Okay, so for comparison, let me show you two of my images that I've captured from bottle 5 and bottle 4. I mean bottle 3, not bottle 4. So you can see on the screen that two images are shown. On the right we have bottle 3, and on the left we have bottle 5. You can get a clear idea that how light pollution plays a major role in astrophotography and stargazing. Okay, so I will must suggest you that if it is possible for you to go under bottle 3 or bottle 2, then you must go there rather than going or up to bottle 5. Okay, so you must go to bottle 3 or bottle 2. So this was regarding the bottle scale and how to find out the bottle scale. Once again I'm repeating. Bottle scale is a 9 level scale. It runs from bottle 1 to bottle 9. So for better astrophotography and stargazing, you need to be under bottle 1 to bottle 3 and up to bottle 4. Okay, and you have to just open the light pollution map. Then you have to find out your location, and then you have to click on your location, and it will show you the bottle scale of your location or of any particular place. Okay, and you can just click on to nearby areas to find out a darker skies. Okay, so this is how we have to use the light pollution map. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can comment it in the comment section below, or directly contact on my Instagram ID. My Instagram ID is in the description below. Okay, so this was all regarding finding the darker skies for Milky Way photography around our surrounding. So thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for more tutorials of this series. Thank you for watching it.